Introducing the Cavicheck, MediWish Ultrasonic Cleaning Indicator, your ultimate solution for ensuring precision and reliability in ultrasonic cleaning. This innovative tool is designed to monitor and verify cavitation energy in ultrasonic cleaners, ensuring your equipment is performing at its best. With a simple color change from greenish-blue to yellow, it provides a clear visual cue that your cleaning process is effective. Key features include accurate measurement of cavitation energy. Easy to use, just place it in your cleaner and observe the results. Wide compatibility with ultrasonic machines operating at 35 kHz or higher. Cost-effective and compliant with FDA regulations for medical use. Perfect for healthcare facilities, dental practices, and industrial settings. This indicator ensures your instruments are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to reliable cleaning verification with MediWish. Visit our website to learn more and order yours today.